back to my channel. This is my second video. I guess I'm playing Noob Train today on Roblox. Cause Roblox is my favorite game. Yeah. I have the cartoony pack on. Let's see chat. Spanish people. I don't know what language that is. I have no clue what that language is, because I only speak English! Yay! So, let's spawn some noobs. Noobs. Let's put 10. Okay, so noobs will follow me now. I think one just disappeared. Okay, let's turn them into my usual, I guess. Oh my god. Yay! Now there's 10 of me! Oh, they don't have the cartoony pack on. They have the no pack. They have no pack on. Let's try. Roblox can follow me, I guess. I don't know. Oh, now the owner of Roblox is following me. What about Builderman? Oh my god. Builderman. Ooh, Builderman followed me. Wait, Builderman looks like that? I know that looks. Builderman. There's a trail, look. You can just see the whole entire trail. Following, follow there. Let's walk towards. I think I'm there. Oh. What are people saying? Then, I have no idea what that language is. Translate. Hello, builder. Hello, builder man. And well. Oh, man. Okay, so yes, you put yeah, there's a lot of them. Oh, they were jumping with me. You can guys just see though. Hold on. Jump the trail! Oh, that's funny. There's really nothing to do on here. Someone just ran past me. It almost hit my Builderman. Let's make, I guess, 30 of them. It's gonna say, oops, I meant to put that in the noob. I meant to put that in the noob thing. That was embarrassing. Well, lucky this. No, Lofty. XD. Oop. I have no idea what people are saying, but someone said XD. If you don't know what XD means, everyone probably does. I don't know why I'm just explaining it to you, but to you guys, but XD means someone's laughing. You can search it up on Google if you want. A trail. Hello! It's like waves of people. Waves of people following me. Whee! This is gonna be a short video, but whatever. I don't really care. Look at myself. I have a weird soul. Okay. Oh, now you're looking at Builderman. Look at Builderman's weird face. The other man looks like he got something in his eye and he's smiling because he don't want anyone to know. And everyone jumps again. Excuse me. You're kidding in my video. Get out! Okay. Yeah, that's 30 Buildermans. Follow me. Let's, I guess Linkmon 99? Linkmon 99. By the way, if you guys don't know who Linkmon 99 is, he's like a witch. He's like a witch player. He's like a witch Roblox player. Hello. You got a problem? Link! Look, you can see his chain. Like little Link Mob. I thought your name was Linkmon, not Mob. What, do you play Minecraft? Yeah, I'm looking at your eyes. Actually, no, your rainbow shaggy is covering. There, you guys all jump. So, let's grow myself. Head. Perfect. Now I have the big head. That. Oh. That looks. Okay. Wait. Oh my god, I'm a big one. Whee! Into the sky. We go. Oh, my Link wanted to think well with me. I am the master Link. I'm joking, I'm not Link. Fine. I'm just. Did I do something to you? Why are you following me? I thought those noobs were supposed to be following me. Are you a noob? You don't look like one. Let me check in your eyes. Yep, you're not a noob. Okay, well, I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you guys liked the video, and goodbye.